I am really loving my Cuisinart 4-slice Belgian waffle maker. It has an easy latch that automatically keeps the waffle maker closed, which is especially great for storage. And I love that it can be stored vertically, saving cabinet space. It has levels 1 through 5 for your preferred level of darkness of your waffles. And then there's a red/orange button and a green button to indicate doneness. I like to spray my waffle maker down with a light coating of cooking spray before putting my batter in, and this guarantees that absolutely nothing will stick. And I also don't add a lot of fat to my waffles. I pour about half a cup of batter into each quadrant, close the lid, and it cooks, and there's no spillage if you use around half a cup per quadrant. You'll see the red light when it's cooking, and then when it's done, you'll see the green light come on, and the waffles come out really nice and crispy on the outside, chewy on the inside, and I really love this waffle maker. Totally recommend.